Why are you still crying?
Because I want my money for Build-A-Bear.
What money for Build-A-Bear?
Because you said we could go to Build-A-Bear.
I know. Why can't we go?
Your mom is taking forever. Why do you keep asking me that question?
Well, because I want you to learn. What happened because you were taking forever?
I don't get money.
It's not that you don't get money. What happened?
The stupid cop gave us a ticket. I want money.
What money? What are you talking about? You want money?
I want money. I want my money back.
You want your money back from who?
From you. I just want my money.
What money? What money are you talking about?
For Build-A-Bear.
Well, how am I going to give you money for Build-A-Bear if I have to pay the ticket now that the cop gave me?
Then go and ask the cop.
Ask them what?
Then don't give us a ticket.
You think he cares?
Well, yes.
Yeah, right.
But if I tell him I'm just a kid,
Oh, so
then they'll think I'm cute and then they'll let us go.
Oh, they think you're cute. Good luck with that one, Lon.